In this beautiful birding hotspot called Herdsman Lake, there is an iconic water bird that calls this place home. The bird in question is this bird, the great crested grebe. These magnificent birds are the largest grebe species in Australia and can be identified by their amazing plumage. And in quiet spots on the lake, these birds can be seen doing something particularly remarkable, dancing. And this is called the weed dance. These courtship displays help establish bonds between pairs, and soon enough these two birds will start to build their nest. Maybe these two need a little bit more practice.